If you look at it on the map, it may seem like a small line. DFC means Dedicated Freight Corridor. It is not the old system where passenger train and freight train compete on the same track. Though made up to 4% of the railway network. Yet it was already carrying 13% of Indian Railways total freight. If you look at it on the map, it may seem like a small line, but this small line is secretly transforming the freight system. By late 2024, the DFC, Dedicated Freight Corridor, made up to 4% of the railway network. Yet it was already carrying 13% of Indian Railways total freight. Now, how is that possible? For that, first you need to understand what is DFC and how it actually works. DFC means Dedicated Freight Corridor. It is not the old system where passenger train and freight train compete on the same track. These are railway tracks built only for cargo. There is no passenger interference and no confusion about priority. This single change has made a huge impact. For example, earlier a long distance freight movement from Delhi to Mumbai usually used to take 36 hours. After DFC, the same journey can be completed about 16 hours. The simple reason is continuous movement, fewer stops and consistent speed. Now let's look at the cost side. This is more interesting. The operating cost of a freight train is roughly 1.5 rupees per ton per kilometer. If the same load is moved by truck, it will cost around 2.5 to 3 rupees per ton per kilometer. On top of that, freight trains produce about 75% lesser carbon emission than trucks. Financially also, the difference is big. If railway earns 100 rupees, it spends 60. In trucking, if you earn 100 rupees, you spend around 80 rupees to 90 rupees. This is where TOT concept comes in. TOT does not replace truck. Many people think it is a fight between road and rail. But that's not true. It is actually a model where road and rail can work together. Fully loaded trucks are placed on special flat wagons and moved through dedicated freight corridors for long distance. The question among us is, does the truck travel full journey by train? No. The formula is first mile by road, long haul by rail, last mile by road. And that combination is the key. On the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, TOT is already running through New Rewari and New Palampur, around kilometers of 636. By road, this journey takes around 30 hours. But with TOT model, it takes around 12 hours. As DFC expands, more such routes will increase. One of the best real-world example is dairy sector. In Western India, dairy companies like Amul are heavily using TOT concept. After signing an MOU in June 2023, TOT model has become a game changer for dairy logistics. Long highway driving is avoided, spoilage risk is reduced, delivery is faster, cold chain integrity is maintained. There is also an extra benefit. Milk tanker movement does not attract GST. Routes like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi NCR now see smooth overnight next day deliveries. From the logistics company's perspective, TOT gives better predictability. Trucks do not get stuck 2 to 3 days on long routes. Turnaround time also improves. What all is reduced? Fuel cost, toll, maintenance and wear and tear. Between April and December of FY 2025, TOT has handled 545 racks, moved more than 3 lakh tons of freight and generated 37 crores in revenue. That means this is not a pilot project, it is already working at scale. Now let's talk about what truck owners think. If railway grows, will trucking business disappear? But the reality is, look at this as an opportunity, it's not a threat. Because of this, long distance driving can reduce, driver fatigue can also reduce. Truck owners can focus on first mile and last mile, while the rail can handle the long haul. Margins can also become clearer and more stable. The environmental impact is also strong. On just Palampur-Rewari stretch, nearly 48,875 trucks are removed from highways. About 8.9 million liters of diesel are saved. So the final point is to understand trucks on train is not the end of trucking. If dedicated freight corridor expands, TOT model can become the backbone of India's modern freight system. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.